Kani gadega Pyrthei TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ka Sorkar jala lang bakatnat ka bapej ikikam Jngohkai Pyrthei. Hak jala kalabo ya kathong ban Kyntiew ya Kiwei ki Jaka Jngohkai Pyrthei. Kibaran se Kiwei pat ki district Jong ka jala. Nalor kibaran lupa kum kasora maulon nong bat Kiwei. U menteri Sorkar jala ubakmi ya katnat Jngohkai Pyrthei. Uba met ba lingdo hak jingi kran bat kinong Pyrthei kubor ulai tho ba nakalyang ju ulakhot da kejelang ya ki katu katne ki officer jokatnat Jngohkai Pyrthei banya thersani bha halor kanikakam kanang ban Kyntiew ya kakam khajna bat ki kam Jngohkai Pyrthei da kajingwan to juginawan sangsuari sakani kejela.
Taking initiatives in the field of identifying all those new tourist sites, which are there in our state, which is a very big kind of goodness destination where they can attract a good number of tourists. Like for all these years, people when they come to Shillong, means that the final destination is Cherrapunji or Sora, I should say. So Sora is the only place where people keep on going. And if you look at the traffic of almost all the vehicles coming from outside the state, it's only Sora. So this year, immediately after I have taken over, we have already engaged a consultant firm and with the thing of the department to work out about the new proposals of new destinations in the state. We have plenty of things. So we have already started and we have received a very good and very positive response from the Ministry of Tourism from Delhi. And all these things can take place with the assistance and funding from Government of India, from the Ministry of Tourism.